In this video, I'm going to show basics of AI. Import Torch, and you can create tensors by passing list into them. And you have a tensor A plus B, so that'll element-wise add 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5, and 3 plus 6. So it'll be 5, 7, 9. If I run it, then it shows 5, 7, 9. So I can just put the multiplication in there, and that's an 8. Put multiplication in there, and it'll be 1 times 4, 2 times 5, and 3 times 6. So there'll be 4, 10, and 18. 4, 10, 18. Okay, and so on and so on. So if it did like minus, it would be 1 minus 4, which is negative 3, and so on. So that's how you do basic operations in PyTorch. Some other things that you can do just to get familiar with PyTorch is the shapes are supposed to line up. Like if I tried to element-wise add this, or hold on, this, it wouldn't make sense because it'd be 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 6, and then it wouldn't know what to do. It'd be something plus 7, but it don't know what the something is. So it would not work. I can try to do it and show it won't work. A plus B. Runtime error. The size of tensor A, 3, must match the size of tensor B, 4, at non-singleton dimension 0. So it doesn't match the same size. But if I make it the same size again by putting that, then it can add 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 3 and 6, and 8 and 7. So the 8 and 7 will add and make 15. So 5, 7, 9, 15. So that works. What this will do is, since these are 1 dimension each, then it'll say 1 times 4, 2 times 5, 3 times 6, and 8 times 7. So 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10, so you add the 4 to that 10 to make 14. 6 times 3 is 18, so you add 14 to 18 to make 32. And 8 times 7, 56, so add 32 to 56. 32 plus 56 is 88. So this element-wise multiplies and then adds the results together, and that's where the 88 comes from. So that's how dot products work. And if you're doing matrix multiplication, it's the structure is different, but fundamentally that's somewhat what it's doing. So matrix multiplications, a lot of the operations that are done in artificial intelligence, but if you break it apart, it's dot products. And if you break dot products apart, that's multiplication and addition. So that's a big chunk of what AI does. And I think somebody mentioned it was like roughly 80% of the things it does is dot products. AI can be boiled down to a lot of its multiplication and addition, but that depends on whether you're talking about training or inference. Inference is where it's actually used, and training is where it's learning to be used. It's like if somebody's going to college to train to go to work at a job, and then the inference is like actually working at the job using the skills learned in college. So that's some things that artificial intelligence does in the background, and that's how you do those using PyTorch. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know, and thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.